Hello family, welcome again to another video today. On this video guys, I'm going to show you a very simple trading method called crypto arbitrage, where you can buy USDT in one exchange and sell it on another exchange at a higher price. It's called you buy meat in Uganda and you sell that same meat in Kenya at a higher price. Let's say for example, right now Kenya can buy gas oil from Russia and then sell the same gas oil in Kenya at a higher profit. That's what we call crypto arbitrage. But on this video, I'm going to show you how you will buy USDT on Binance and sell it on Binance.com with and make the profit. Okay, so you can see guys, on my account I have 17,804 USDT. That's worth Kenyan shillings 2,293,763 guys. So if I convert the same USDT into Kenya, let's say USD to Kenyan shillings. Let me show you guys in real life. In real life guys, USDT to Kenyan shillings, it's I have 17,800. That's 2,292,996. If we say to convert to Nigerian money guys, Nigerian money 17,800, it's 24 million. Okay guys, 24,081,000. Now it's a lot of money. Okay, yes, I can't read that really. And let's say to UGX, Ugandan shillings, and let's say 17,800 will be 66,825,472. It's a lot of money guys. Dollars, when you make money with dollars, it's when you convert the money to Kenyan shillings or to your currency, it's usually very a lot. So let's go to convert it to Cameroon France guys. Cameroon currency, if we convert 18,000 no, sorry, 17,800, it will be 100. Okay, it's a lot of money. It's 10,102,471 Cameroon France. Okay, it's quite a number. So what I'm trying to say guys is, if you earn in dollar and then you convert the same amount into your local currency, you tend to make a lot of profit, and the same money will change your life, even if it's $1, $2 or $3. And you know, 1 USDT is equivalent to $1. So it's your time now to think, if I have 100 USDT, how can I convert it into $150 in a day? And that's why this video is for you today. So as you can see, I already have the USDT in my account. The next step now, I need to create an exchange. There's an exchange called MyBinunz.com. This is a trading exchange that is trusted in the world. It was founded in the year 2020 and it's SEC regulated, and you can see the certificate is here. It's regulated and well registered with the compliance with the SEC regulators. Okay, so since this is the exchange now we are going to use, we will buy USD there because I already have it. Now if you don't have an account, you'll come and create one. So I'll click on login because I already have the account. And then guys, I'm going to put my account login details, and you can see my portfolio has $8 only. So I will now go to P2P and show you exactly what I'm talking about. I'll go to P2P and then click P2P trading and then click buy. Okay guys, and then I'll choose USDT amount. I'm going to buy 500. Let's say I want 500 worth of USDT, and you can see there are many offers here. This one has 0.7, 0.76, 0.72 non-armor. So I'm going to use this one with 0.72 because the best offer, and then I'll click on buy. So I'll put amount I want to buy is 500, and you can see on 500 I'm going to get a return of 692. Okay, so that's a profit of after fees I'm going to get a profit of about 178 USDT, guys. So and then I'll click on buy order, and then I'll go to payment proof now. Okay, continue here, and then payment proof, I'll choose USDT, and then once you choose USDT, you'll be given the payment address to pay to. So I'll copy the address, very easy. And then guys, I'll go to my Binance and click send, withdraw crypto USDT, and then I'll press that address here, and then I'll choose TRX as the network, and then guys, I'll put the amount as 501 because the one is $1 fee, and then I'll click withdraw. Okay, it's as easy as this, guys. So then I'll confirm my passkey. Do not show your passkeys to anyone, guys, for your financial privacy. Do not show your passkeys anyone. So now I'm putting my passkey, you can see now it's done, and then I'll click on view history, and then I'll choose the withdrawal I've made is here. So the next step I need to do is take the screenshot like this, and then I'll go back here, and then I'll tap upload screenshot. I'll choose the screenshot here, and then guys, I will click on submit. This is the submit button. Okay, so once you see an error like this, we couldn't connect the server. Sometimes it happens. Check your internet connection. What you need to do, guys, is go back, click go back, and then you click cancel it. And remember, the vendor you are trading with is Nana Ama. So what you need to do now is copy the vendor name. So refresh here, and then you refresh your account. You go again to P2P trading, and then you click buy. So the vendor was called Nana Ama. You can see now the rate has changed to 0.77. No problem. I'll click on buy, and then I'll put 500 because, and then continue. A payment proof, I've already sent the payment, so I'll upload the screenshot first before the network fails, and then I'll click submit again, and now the submit button will succeed. Okay, so now you can see the transaction is now submitted. So since I have already paid the vendor, I'm going now to click on mark paid. Okay, so now guys, after marking paid, I'm going to wait for the vendor to pay me. I can text the vendor here, open the chat. Hello, please pay my order. Okay, and then send. So now I'm waiting for the vendor to release. You can see I've texted her, so let me wait for about 2 to 3 minutes, guys. So guys, you can see now the vendor has replied to me done. That means the trade has been completed successfully because the vendor has texted me done, and he has released the trade. Okay, so now I'll go back to my account again. Let me log in again, and you can see now I have 660. If we go to transaction history here, guys, you can see the trade that I have made with Nana Ama that I got 652 because I had $8. Now I have 660 in my account. So now guys, since now I have already in my funding account, I have 652. The next step I'm going to do is click on withdraw, and then guys, I'm going to scroll down here, choose a funding wallet, no, spot wallet, no, funding wallet. That's where my money is, and then Tether USDT network, I'll choose Tron TRC20, and then 100%. So now you can see I'm going to withdraw 646 after fees, and then I'll put my withdrawal address here to withdraw all my earnings. So I'll go back here for just this video. I'm going to withdraw everything so you can see it's really working. But if I was trading more, I could have held the funds in my account and continue trading. So to receive the money, I'm going to click add funds, deposit crypto USDT, and then I'll choose TRX, then copy the address, guys, go back to my account, paste the address here, and then review withdrawal and confirm. Okay, so the withdrawal is now pending. I'm waiting to receive 646 USDT in my account, guys, in a few minutes. So guys, as you can see, the transaction is now on the blockchain. I'm still waiting for it to arrive on my Binance. I'll go back on my Binance now and confirm. I'm refreshing here. You can see it's not yet confirmed yet, so let me wait for it to be a little bit more. Just a little bit more, guys. You can see now it's waiting withdraw confirming on the blockchain, so it means it's almost there. And here it is now processing, guys, you can see, and it's here now, 646 done. So guys, that's how you literally do the trading, and or you buy low USDT from another exchange and then you sell high. So guys, do not forget to come to my TikTok. When you come to my TikTok, there's a WhatsApp number here, you can contact me, and there's a Telegram channel here. You can always also click on it and join my Telegram. When you click on that link there and then you click on the three dots, you open in browser, you'll see my Telegram channel. It's here with over 26,000 subscribers. Let it load. You can see this is my Telegram channel, guys. Come to my channel, and also on my channel here I post videos from my YouTube channel. Once you come to my channel, you'll see the video here and the link. Once you click the link here, it will take you direct to my YouTube channel here. This is my YouTube channel that has 468,000 subscribers, and with over 260 videos that I've been teaching since 3 years ago. And also, guys, don't forget to sign up with my referral link on my Telegram channel. And you can see, guys, this is my Telegram channel with over 573.2 million views and many more subscribers. Come to my Telegram channel. On my TikTok also, like this video, save the video, share to your friends, and let's all succeed. Thank you so much for watching this video, and may you have a lovely day, and God be with you. Thank you so much.